Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Here this is Rajeshwari Mishra. Today I am going to teach a course new topic, that is Booth's algorithm. Booth's algorithm. Here the Booth's algorithm is for the multiplication of two sign bit number. This is the flow chart of the Booth's algorithm. First the start label, then the accumulator is initialized to 0, q minus 1 is 0, m register means the multiplicand is stored in the m register and the multiplier is stored in the q register. Then the count is equal to n, that means the number of the count bit. Suppose the number is 7, that means it can be represented in binary form 7 equal to 0 1 1 1, that means 4 bit, that means the number of the bit is 4. Then we have to show that the q naught bit and q minus 1 bit, whether it is 0 1 or 1 0 or 1 1 or 0 0. If it is 0 1, then a equal to a plus m, or if it is 1 0, then a equal to a minus m. After that, then it's right shift the three register a, q and q minus 1. Then finally we have to see that count equal to count minus 1. Then whether the count value is now 0 or not. If the count value is 0, then execution will be stopped, or the calculation we have to stop that. That means in the flow chart we have to consider only the two bit, that is q naught bit and q minus 1 bit, whether it is 0 1 or 1 0. If it is 0 1, that means a equal to a plus m, but here the cycle is not stopped. Again it's right shift the three register a, q and q minus 1. And if it is 1 0, then it is a equal to a minus m, then it goes to the right shift of the three register a, q and q minus 1. This total is the flow chart of the Booth's algorithm. And why the Booth's algorithm? As because the multiplication of two sign bit number can be multiplied by using the Booth's algorithm. Suppose we are considering a 4-bit number. If in 4-bit number, suppose there are 4 bit q3, q2, q1, q0, and the previous bit, suppose we are taking q minus 1. And suppose we are multiplying two number like 7 cross 3. As we know that 7 cross 3 equal to 21. But 7, this is the multiplicand, and 3, this is the multiplier. 7 is stored in m and the 3 is stored in q. And the 7, the binary value is 0 1 1, and the 3, the binary value is 0 0 1 1. How it is 0 1 1 and 0 0 1 1? Here we can calculate 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So 7 is 4 plus 2 plus 1, that means 0 1 1. Like this 3 0 0 1 1. But as we know that 7 cross 3 equal to 21, by the help of the Booth's algorithm we have to show that the result of the 21, that means we have to find out the result, that means 1 0 1 0 1. If it comes, then the Booth algorithm works. We know m equal to 0 1 1 and the ones complement of m is 1 0 0, as because the ones complement means 0 is converted 1 and 1 is converted 0, 1 is converted 0 and the last one is converted 0. 2's complement of m is the ones complement is added with 1 and the final value of the m of the 2's complement, this is 1 0 0 1. So m's 2's complement is 1 0 0 1, m is 0 1 1, q naught is 0 0 1 1. But why this m's 2's complement is needed? As because in our flow chart, if the Q0 and Q minus 1 bit is 1 0, then we have to calculate the accumulator value. That means A minus M. A minus M means A plus the 2's complement of M. So we have to find out the value of the 2's complement of the M. So here we have calculated the M's 2's complement. This is 1001. Here the operation is carried out like this. Here the steps number at the count number. A for accumulator, Q naught, Q minus 1, and the last is operation. In accumulator, A is initialized with 0. 4 bit means 40. Q naught means multiplier. In 7 cross 3, 3 is the multiplier and 7 is the multiplicand. The Q naught 3 in binary form is what? 0011. Q minus 1 is 0. So here we have to check the two value, Q naught value and Q minus 1 value. Q naught means this 1 and Q minus 1 this 0. If the value of Q naught and Q minus 1 is 1 and 0, then we have to perform A equal to A minus M according to our flow chart. Here the A we have 0 0 0 0 4 0 and minus M means the A 2's complement. The M's 2's complement is what? 1001. Then this will be added and the final value is 1001 and the final value is stored in what? Stored in A. That means 1001 is stored in A. Here the new value of A is 1001. Q naught same value 0011. Q minus 1 0. Again the cycle 1 is not stopped here. It will continue as because we have the flow chart. If A equal to A minus M, then it will go to this step. What? The shift register A, Q and Q minus 1. That means A, Q and Q minus 1 will be right shifted. Here it will be right shifted. That means here 1 goes, here 0, here 0 like this. And this blank value will be filled up with 1. So new value is 1100. The Q0 naught value is the same value 1001 and Q minus 1 is 1. This is the step number 2. Here also we have to check the Q naught and Q minus 1 value. 1 and 1. If our value is 1 1, what happens? Directly we have to shift the 3 register A, Q and Q minus 1. A, Q and Q minus 1. Then right shift 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 and the final one. And this blank will be filled with 1. Here right shifted. Okay. Then we have to check, this is the step number 3. Then we have to check the last value. This means Q naught value and the Q minus 1 value. The Q naught and Q minus value is 0 1. If the value is 0 1, then what happened? If the value is 0 1, then A equal to A plus M. The value of the accumulator and the multiplier will be added. A equal to A plus M, 1 1 0 0. The value of A and M 0 1 1 1. This will be added. 1 0 1 1 1 10 0 carry 1 1 1 10 10 plus 1 11 1 carry 1 1 1 10 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. As we have taken 7 cross 3, that means only in 4 bit, then we have to discard the 5th bit. The final value is 0 1 0 1, but it will store in A. It will store in accumulator. Then the accumulator new value is 0 1 0 1. Then the q naught the same value 0 1 00, then q minus 1 1. But here it will not stop, it will right shift the 3 register A, q naught, q minus 1, 0 1 0 1. This will take the right shift 0 1 0 and the final 0, and the blank space will be filled up with 0. This is number step 3. The step 4, the new value of the accumulator is 0010 and the q naught is 1010 and final the q minus 1 is 0. If the value is 00, then what will happen? If the value is 00, then directly it shift the 3 register A, Q and Q minus 1. Then shift A, Q and Q minus 1, 0, 0, 1, this 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, it will right shift. And the final value and the blank value will be filled up with 0. And this will happen the right shift. Here this number is 4. Step 4 complete. Step 4 complete. But as we know that the number of bit is 4, that means here the 4 minus 4 is 0. That means count in our flow chart, count is 0, as because 4 minus 4 is 0, count is 0. Yes, this means stop. The calculation will be stopped here. So this is the final result. 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is the final result. In binary form 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1, but actually in decimal form the result is 21, as because 16 8 4 2 1 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 16 plus 4 plus 1. Here the result is 21. That means 7 cross 3 equal to 21. It will work in Booth's algorithm. Thank you.